Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be installing this 4x4 water wave 20-inch closure unit, and it is totally glueless. So I'm going to be doing a glueless install. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this bedhead spray to lay my lace because I want it to be flawless. So guys, if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. Guys, before we jump into the fun part, we have to go into the not so fun part that some people don't like. We have to go ahead, bleach the knots so that it gives scalp basically, and then we're going to co-wash the unit. So to bleach the knot, we're going to use some BW2 powder and some 20 volume developer. And as you can see, I'm not using any specific measurement because I'm just going to mix a consistency that's suitable to bleach lace. You don't want the consistency to be too runny because you don't want it seeping through the lace. So I'm just going to go ahead, bleach the knot, let it sit for a couple of minutes, rinse it out, tone the knots, and then go on and co-wash the unit. I'm ensuring that I push the hair back so that all my edges are out the way. You don't want to bleach your edges. You just want to bleach the knots. You want to bleach the knots until it gets like to that brown color, because right now they're black and you want to get that brown color so it looks like scalp. For this specific unit, I let the bleach sit for like 15 minutes before rinsing it out. It all depends on the type of unit you have. Some will lift faster than some. So for this one, it only took me 15 minutes. I went ahead, rinsed the bleach off, and then go in and tone the knots. To tone the knots, I use the Iron and the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. After I'm done with that step, I went in with a Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner and used that to co-wash the unit. Let it sit overnight and air dry, and then you'll see the final result. Now I'm about to start plucking the unit because I want it to look as natural as possible, and I'm going to go ahead, put the wig on a mannequin head, put a towel underneath, and then start plucking. Guys, being that I'm going to be doing a glueless install, I won't be doing a ball cap. I'm just going to go ahead, pop my wig on. Let you guys see it. Look how good this earline looks. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to brush the hairs back. Now it's time to go ahead and use my spray to further melt the lace. After spraying the lace, I'm going to go in with my elastic band and tie it and then blow dry. Look at that melt. I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation and use it slowly. I'm going to use the bowl hole lace jelly to hold my baby hairs. Here you go, guys. This is the hair, dry, washed, and poofy. Now, being that this is a water wave unit, I'm going to go ahead and wet it. It's giving what lace. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.